Every big company starts with a small dream and sometimes a single grain. In 2016, in the Maj heartland of Bihar, a company called Regaal Resources Ltd was born. Fast forward to today, they are one of India's fastest growing agro-processing companies, making products you probably use every single day without even knowing it. The journey started modestly. In 2018, their plant could process just 180 tons of maize per day. But Regaal was hungry for growth, investing in infrastructure, technology, and people. By 2024, that number had grown to 750 tons per day, and the next milestone, a massive 1,650 tons per day in the near future. So what exactly do they make from all this maize? It starts with starches, both native and modified, that go into everything from biscuits and noodles to sauces and soups. They also make corn flour, custard powder, and baking powder for the food industry. But it doesn't stop at food. Their starches and derivatives are used in pharmaceutical tablets, paper manufacturing, textiles, adhesives, and even animal feed. If you've eaten a snack, taken medicine, written on paper, or worn a cotton shirt, there's a good chance Regaal played a small part in it. Their massive 50-plus acre manufacturing facility is located in Kishanganj, Bihar, right in the heart of the maize belt. That means their raw material is grown practically next door, cutting costs and boosting efficiency. Their headquarters is based in Kolkata's Sector V, the city's buzzing IT and business hub, giving them easy access to finance, talent, and trade networks. Regaal isn't just focused on growth, they're committed to sustainability too. Their plant is a zero liquid discharge facility, meaning no untreated wastewater leaves the site. They've invested in plant to ensure uninterrupted operations and have built massive silos with a combined capacity of 40,000 tons to store maize securely. In an industry often criticized for waste, Regaal is setting an example for clean and efficient manufacturing. Now, let's talk numbers, because this is where the story really gets exciting. In FY 2022, their revenue stood at around 488 crore rupees. By FY 2025, that number had nearly doubled to 915 crore rupees, an impressive 88% jump. Profits tell an even bigger story. From 16.8 crore rupees in FY 2022, profit after tax shot up to 47.7 crore rupees in FY 2025, 185% growth in just 3 years. Their total assets also swelled from 372 crore rupees to 860 crore rupees, showing how much they've reinvested into building the business. Yes, their borrowings grew from 189 crore rupees to 507 crore rupees, but that's largely because they're expanding aggressively to capture a bigger slice of the market. In August 2025, Regaal took its biggest leap yet, going public. The IPO was priced between 96 rupees and 102 rupee per share, aiming to raise 306 crore rupees. Investors, they went crazy for it. Retail subscriptions were over 58 times the available shares. The grey market premium hinted at strong listing gains, and anchor investors poured in 92 crore rupees before the IPO even opened. The funds are now being used to repay debt, boost working capital, and fund that big capacity jump to 1,650 tons per day, plus entry into new, high-value products like maltodextrin and liquid glucose. Like every business, Regaal has its strengths and its challenges. Strengths include a prime location in the maize belt, a diverse product portfolio, high EBITDA margins among the best in the industry, and nearly 100% capacity utilization. Talking about challenges, they carry significant debt, and a large portion of their revenue comes from just a handful of customers. It means they'll need to manage financial discipline carefully while continuing to diversify their customer base. From a small maize processor in Bihar to a multi-industry supplier with products in kitchens, factories, and export markets, to a stock market debut that caught the attention of investors across India, Regaal Resources shows how vision, smart execution, and the right location can turn a single grain into a golden opportunity. So, would you invest in Regaal Resources? Share your thoughts below, and if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring company journeys.